everybody, welcome to Sunday's Pour. Thanks for tuning in. I am doing a pour that Mina did last Wednesday. That was her flop cup. She got inspiration from Fiona and B.R. Turner. So I wanted to do one today. I have some really great colors. I think they're gonna really come out great. This will be my first time I haven't even tried this pour yet. So fingers crossed this works. But I thought I would, you know what they say, go big or go home. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to do it on a 24 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. So let's get down on the canvas and let's have some fun. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I'm doing today is a flop cup. Mina really turned me on to the idea with her last video. So I want to play with it a little bit. So I've got a 24 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. I put a coat of gesso on it because it was painted before, and I wanted to paint over top of it. So I'm still testing this whole gesso technique before painting over a painting. So colors today: Amsterdam in the Prussian blue, 24K gold. This is the Arteza in the Glacier blue, I believe it's called. Such a beautiful color. I got Purple Flash from FolkArt and Golden Peach from TLP. All right, I'm gonna need about 26 ounces of paint. So I'm going to layer both cups. I'm going to go with Prussian first. Some gold. Put a little white. Glacier blue color, so pretty. Purple Flash. And the peach. Come right back in here again. So I'm just gonna flop the paint down here. I'm gonna pinch the cup a little bit and just kind of go. Let's go to second cup. Use what's left over in the cup there to help with the flow. All right. Now we're just gonna rock the paint around. Where are we? We'll go off this way first. Back. This paint is super thin. Much thinner than I normally mix. Let's evaluate. Now I need to figure out, because I think I've got too much paint still on the canvas. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna take my tip here. I'm gonna put it down in the center. Yeah, way too much paint left. That means it's gonna crack. So what do I see that I would like to get rid of? Bring it down a little bit. Okay guys, here we are. Wow, look at the mountainous cells. It's just this Artist Loft soft body white, man. It just is selling up. There's no satin enamels in this white. There's a little bit of water, but not much. It's so crazy. I can't even believe it. Let me bring you in. Okay guys, that is it. So because I just painted this Saturday night, it is not dry, so I can't even give you dried results, but I will put dried results in Wednesday's video. But this was a lot of fun, and this honestly is a great way, if you have leftover paints, this is also a great way you can use those paints up. If you don't know what kind of pour you want to do, just throw them in a cup, flop them down on the canvas, tilt it out, and see what you get. But this Artist Loft soft body, I don't know if I just got a special batch, because I've used it forever now. I normally use titanium white, but I've been using this Artist Loft lately, and it just sells up and gets these giant boulder cells. It's crazy. And there is no satin enamels in this white today. It is strictly the Floetrol, the white, and a little bit of water to thin it down. That's it. So, all right, everyone, I will see you on Wednesday. Let's head over to Kelly Feral Arts channel. She's up next. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.